If looking for the perfect action camera to capture your next adventure, here are the top 5 action camera picks that deliver on performance, durability, and video quality. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Insta360X4. The Insta360X4 stands out as the best 360 action camera, combining cutting-edge features with unmatched versatility. Its ability to shoot 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second delivers stunning clarity and immersive footage, perfect for action, packed adventures, creative storytelling, or VR content. What really sets the X4 apart is its flow state stabilization, which ensures smooth, shake-free footage even in the most extreme environments. Whether you're mountain biking, skiing, or skydiving, your videos will look professionally stabilized. Another standout feature is the removable lens guards and improved durability, making it more rugged and ready for action. Plus, the longer battery life gives you more time to shoot without constantly swapping batteries. With the powerful AI editing tools in the Insta360 app, even beginners can create jaw-dropping edits in minutes. The camera also supports single-lens shooting, turning it into a traditional action cam when needed. If you're looking for an all-in-one camera that can shoot everything around you and still give you smooth, high-quality footage, the Insta360X4 is hands down the best 360 action camera available today. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is the top choice for anyone seeking premium performance without a premium price. With a 1/1.3-inch sensor, it delivers excellent image quality even in low light, a rare feature in this price range. It shoots 4K video at 120 frames per second, giving you smooth, detailed footage and epic slow motion, all backed by Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady stabilization. Whether you're biking, hiking, or surfing, your videos will stay shake-free and level. One of the best parts? It's extremely user-friendly. Dual touchscreens make vlogging and framing shots effortless, and the intuitive interface is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Built tough, it's waterproof up to 18 meters without a case, and has an excellent battery life, lasting up to 160 minutes and charging quickly with fast charge support. The DJI Osmo Action 4 punches well above its weight, offering features usually found in higher-end cameras. It's reliable, durable, and delivers fantastic footage, making it the best budget action camera. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands out as the premier 8K action camera, offering a blend of high-resolution recording, advanced stabilization, and intelligent features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and a Leica-engineered 157-degree lens, the Ace Pro 2 captures 8K video at 30 frames per second, delivering exceptional detail and clarity. Its dual AI chip architecture enhances image processing, providing superior low-light performance and dynamic range, making it ideal for various shooting conditions. The camera's flow state stabilization ensures smooth footage, while the active HDR mode maintains vibrant colors and details in high-contrast scenes. Additionally, the flip-up 2.5-inch touchscreen allows for easy framing and control. Audio quality is addressed with a built-in wind guard and support for external microphones via USB-C, ensuring clear sound capture even in challenging environments. The 1,800 mAh battery offers extended recording time and supports fast charging, minimizing downtime during shoots. In short, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it the top choice for capturing high-quality 8K action footage. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13. The GoPro Hero 13 Black stands out as the premier action camera offering a blend of high-resolution recording, advanced stabilization, and intelligent features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1 to 1.9-inch sensor, it captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, delivering exceptional detail and clarity. The hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even in the most extreme environments. Sporties, the camera's HB series interchangeable lenses, including ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic options, provide versatility for various shooting scenarios. The 10-bit HLG HDR and G-Log video support offer enhanced color grading capabilities for professional quality footage. With a 1900 mAh Enduro battery, the Hero 13 Black offers extended recording time. In short, the GoPro Hero 13 Black combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it the top choice for capturing high-quality action footage. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the overall best action camera, offering a blend of high-resolution recording, advanced stabilization, and intelligent features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures 4K video at 120 frames per second and 40 megapixel stills, delivering exceptional detail and clarity. The 13.5 stop dynamic range ensures rich highlight and shadow details, even in challenging lighting conditions like urban nights or high-contrast scenarios. The camera's Horizon Steady 360-degree stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, while the Super Night mode enhances low-light performance. Additionally, the subject tracking feature intelligently keeps subjects centered in every frame, making it ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. With a 1950 mAh battery, the Osmo Action 5 Pro offers up to 4 hours of recording time and supports fast charging, minimizing downtime during shoots. The dual OLED touchscreens, 1.46-inch front and 2.5-inch rear, provide clear, bright displays for easy framing and control, even in bright sunlight. In short, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it the top choice for capturing high-quality action footage. Subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out other videos.